This video covers how to set up the global variables in the spreadsheet so that you can begin using it. First, we need to tell the spreadsheet which version of Math on the Level we are using, whether it's the Classic Edition or the Second Edition. You can also choose which is your first school day. Usually that is a Monday, but many people use different dates, Tuesday and so on. We also have to enter a scheduled start date. The important thing is that this has to be a non-future date, and it has to match the day of the week that you've chosen as your first school day. So in this case we have selected a Tuesday, matching what we entered in the first school day. The spreadsheet can also schedule from 1 to 7 5-a-day papers per week. Typically you would use 5. The planning day is the day in which you would like to have the schedule start to tell you what's coming up instead of what is the current schedule. So on Saturday, let's say, we're going to ask the spreadsheet to show us next week's schedule as a default. Here we're going to enter each student's name that we're teaching and assign them one of the review charts. Now here's chart 1 and chart 2 and chart 3, so we need to give one of those charts to each of our students. So I've entered Paul and Mary, Timothy, Rachel, Luke, and Anna. There is an entry at the bottom if you have an older version of Math on the Level that was printed in the year 2012. Typically you will just leave this at the default value. Now that we have done this initial setup, we can scroll across and look at chart 1, which now has Paul's name. Chart 2 is for Mary, 3 for Timothy, 4 for Rachel, chart 5, and chart 6. The next task will be to fill in the review charts for these children. Thanks for watching.